Hello to all and welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang birthday party ng aming kaibigan. It is February 14th and it's a Valentine Day. But we are not celebrating Valentine since most of the people this is a Muslim country. But not all are not. Some of the Muslims or some people here are celebrating Valentine's Day as well. It is around 5 p.m. and as you can see, the traffic is very smooth. There is no much traffic, but of course, as usual or it's very normal that you can see this kind of situation here in Karachi in most of the areas. Especially those areas that crosses markets or business areas in general. If you are just new in Karachi, you might get irritated. But if you stay here for a long time, then you will used to it as well. Most of the people here are used to it, so for them, it's just a normal situation or just a part of their life. And since this is a Muslim country, most of the people that you can see on the public areas are men, especially in the markets or business areas. So women are allowed, but of course, for security purposes, woman doesn't want or woman is not fond of coming in this kind of areas. Unless they are with their husband, brothers, or father. And we are here now in the area where our friend's birthday will be celebrated. We actually arrived earlier than common time that they are opening the restaurant. This resto is actually a Chinese, Pakistani mixed foods or restaurant. Sa birthday party, birthday venue. Wala pang tao, kami yung kauna-unahan na yan. At parang hindi pa rin luto yung hindi pa rin luto yung aming kakainin. At kasi daw 6:30 pa yung kanilang open at 6:30 pa rin yung kain. Kasi nga, today is parang dapat fasting yung mga Muslim. Fasting sila, tapos magdadasal. Kaya medyo late yung dinner. At saka yun nga kadalasan, kapag restaurant na ganito, nag-open talaga dito, 7 or 8 yan, di ba? Hanggang midnight na yan, hanggang madaling araw. Ganun yung nila dito, yung mga restaurant. Kaya medyo late. Kami lang ang maaga lagi kasi pag mga party namin mga Pinay, maaga kami. Pero ngayon, wala kami magagawa kasi ang open nga daw ng kanilang resto is 6:30. Ayun, pinatay namin yung mga susunod at kami ang kauna-unahan. While we are waiting for the main dish, we bought samosa from outside to eat since we are hungry already. Sure, lagay mo ba yung Lagay mo ba yun, ayan ang mami. At yan ang aming birthday celebrant. Alam niyo naman, ganda-ganda ng aming birthday celebrant. Ayan. Nakakawang pa yan.
Proud na po naman dyan. Lahat dyan. Sa lahat ng ganyan. Pati yung dito.
Abdul Kadir. Hello. This decoration is included when you book the restaurant. Hindi po kami children's party, kundi isip batang party.
Pilipino din ang mukha? Hindi. Hindi na siya nakagawa. Hindi naman na, inahin na lang.
Hindi ka, nandito kami.
Ano ba? Kapatid, matching, kamusta na kayo?
Ayan.
Birthday ko ng aming mami.
Ay, sa Marcio. Yan na. Princess, Rainang ang dating yan ngayon. Rainang ang dating yan ngayon. O, diba? Diha. Ito lang yung kaligayahan namin. Paminsan-minsan lumalabas. Ay! This is the cute, beautiful butterfly cake of the celebration. Where are you going?
Wait! Maki naman ko. Okay. Measure the single person. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ay, kalimutan tayo.
How we can do this, man?
Okay, go, my God.
My love.
Ito asawa niyo eh.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Oy, tama.
birthday, happy
Yes, happy Valentine. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Aisha.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ano? Tita Vicky, ha?
Okay. Video on it.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Video on it.
Para come to. Thank you.
Happy birthday to
Wait.
Oh.
This new
New version. Yung babasagin yung mukha.
Yeah, this will start.
Ito tayo.
Hindi ako magdala sa lahat ng baka sabihin. Support.
Why is not the camera is not coming out?
It's fake.
Yes! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Kaulat. Mura.
Bakit na umaunan ako eh? Kaya binubog.
Yeah, akan pa sila lagi picture.
Good idea, but ano?
Sakit talaga yung pa eh.
This is the cake.
It's ibali na walang
New style daw ng
Kasi hindi
cake.
naman kumakain pag nakakain. There's no light.
Remove this. It's almost.
Not recommended.
Oh my God. If that is my husband's doing, he already...
Libit. It's okay. Magandang isunugin na lang. Hindi pala ito maganda. Mas maganda pa naman. Eat myself.
Yes, eat yourself in here. To you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Kain na tayo!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ate kari kami.
One plate please. Or fork na spoon.
You can remove the things my lapin the food because it's by accident.
It's fine.
It's okay. No tension.
Indeed. Pizza. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes. Lasa. Ako rin di mo ako sinubuan.
Wait. Konti lang. Ganun pala dito sa ganyan dito. Hindi nagda-diet ako.
Yan, kaunti lang. Konti lang, oh. Just a
No,
piece.
diet is not allowed our member.
Forget the diet for a while. Oh, di ba? And you also.
Thank you.
Welcome. Vlogger.
Mayroong sigurado yan na.
Bayano.
Oo. Bala ako may take out.
Wait, nagpibidyo pa ako.
Konti lang.
Di ba? Ano ba tawag yan? Tika, lemon tika? Siguro. We are going home. Tapos na ang party.
Sige na rin.
Sabi ako pinala.
Salamat sa kapunta nyo. Gusto ba kayo?
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. See you on my next video.